In Ukraine, the ongoing conflict has dramatically transformed the landscape of daily life. As the nation grapples with the persistent threat of external aggression, citizens are confronted with a troubling reality within their own borders. The war, which has persisted since 2022, has not only placed the country under siege from foreign attacks, but has also led to systematic violations of human rights by domestic authorities. In this tense environment, the actions of Territorial Centers for Recruitment and Social Support, TCRSS, and law enforcement agencies have raised significant concerns. Reports indicate a pattern of unlawful detentions and restrictions on the freedom of movement for citizens, particularly targeting men of conscription age. As the military mobilization efforts intensify, these individuals find themselves increasingly vulnerable to arbitrary actions taken by state representatives. The absurdity of the situation is evident. While the nation faces an imminent external threat, its citizens are simultaneously subjected to pressures from their own security forces. Incidents of unlawful detentions are being reported on the streets of various urban areas, where individuals seeking to go about their daily lives encounter barriers imposed by those who are mandated to uphold the law. This dual pressure creates an unsettling atmosphere, where the very institutions designed to protect citizens are, in some instances, infringing upon their rights. The implications of this situation are far-reaching. As the conflict continues, the tension between the need for security and the preservation of civil liberties becomes increasingly pronounced. Citizens are caught in a precarious position where the fear of external attacks is compounded by the fear of internal oppression. Videos from eyewitnesses and documented incidents illustrate the stark reality faced by ordinary people navigating their own cities, where encounters with TCRSS and police can escalate quickly and unpredictably. This ongoing struggle highlights the urgent need for accountability and reform within the security structures of Ukraine. As the war rages on, the protection of human rights must remain a priority, even amidst the challenges posed by the current conflict. The reality on the ground remains complex, with citizens striving to assert their rights in a landscape marked by both external threats and internal challenges. The situation underscores the critical importance of upholding constitutional rights, even in times of crisis. As the conflict persists, the dual pressures from external aggression and internal enforcement highlight the need for a careful balancing act between national security and the fundamental rights of individuals. The ongoing events serve as a reminder of the delicate nature of civil liberties in wartime and the responsibilities of those in power to protect rather than undermine the rights of the populace.
Вилазьте, хлопці, сядете! Вилазьте, хлопці, вилазьте! Вилазьте! Визивайте скорую!
Нам